Hi everyone, welcome back. In the last video, we explored candidate management in Workday and how applicants move through the recruiting pipeline. Today, we will zoom into one of the most critical stages, that is interview management, where recruiters, managers, and interviewers come together to evaluate candidates. Let's see what is the interview management in Workday. Interview management covers the scheduling, coordination, and evaluation of interviews within Workday. It ensures the process is organized, collaborative, and transparent to recruiters and hiring managers. Key steps in interview management: interview scheduling, that is, recruiters schedule interviews directly in Workday. Integration with Outlook, Google Calendars helps avoid conflicts. Interview panels. Multiple interviews can be assigned: technical, lead, HR, hiring manager. Each interviewer gets a workday notification and calendar invite. Feedback collection. Interviewers submit structured feedback in Workday. Templates ensure consistency with ratings, comments, and recommendations. Decision making. Based on feedback, recruiters and managers decide to move the candidate forward, reject, or schedule another round. Benefits of interview management. What are the benefits? Centralized scheduling in one system, better collaboration between recruiters, interviewers, and managers, standardized evaluation which reduces bias and improves fairness, end to end visibility of candidate progress. For example, if we take a scenario, let's say requisition is open for a finance manager. The recruiter schedules interviews with the hiring manager, an HR partner, and a senior director. Each interviewer gets a calendar invite and submits feedback directly in Workday. Once all feedback is collected, the recruiter reviews it and decides whether to extend an offer. All of this happens seamlessly inside Workday without juggling emails or spreadsheets. Let's understand this by a simple diagram. Let's say, let's take this as candidate. Candidate. This is interview scheduling. This is interview panel. And next comes feedback. That is inside Workday. Next comes that is decision. Which is decided by recruiter and manager. So this diagram illustrates the critical steps within the interview process. Interview process. So it begins with the candidate who, once identified, moves into interview scheduling. Here logistics are handled and arrange their meetings with various stakeholders. Next, the candidate engages with the interview panel, a group of interviewers who assess their skills and fit, and crucially, detailed feedback is collected from each panel member, often directly inside Workday. Inside Workday, ensuring all insights are captured. Based on this comprehensive feedback, the recruiter and hiring manager then collaborate to make the final decision, determining whether to proceed with an offer. This is the interview process. Let's see what are the interview questions on this topic. How are interviews scheduled in Workday? Recruiters schedule directly in Workday with integration to Outlook or Google for availability. How does Workday capture feedback from interviewers? Interviewers submit structured feedback forms in Workday, ensuring consistent evaluation. Why is structured feedback important in recruiting? It reduces bias, standardizes evaluations, and ensures fair comparison across candidates. Can multiple interviews be part of the same process in Workday? Yes, recruiters can create interview panels with multiple interviewers, each submitting their own feedback. To summarize, the interview management in Workday makes scheduling, feedback, and decisions simple and organized. In the next video, we'll move to offer management in Workday, how offers are created, extended, and accepted directly within the system. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more content.